Hello and welcome to another video with Liah. Today I'm going to be talking about how to do a redox reaction, finding which species was oxidized, which was reduced, which one lost or gained electrons, and which one was the reducing agent and which one was the oxidizing agent. To do this, I'm going to be going over a single redox reaction. Alright, so here are the questions we're supposed to answer for this reaction. And this reaction is called a redox reaction, also an oxidation-reduction reaction, okay? Redox is just reduction-oxidation, shortened. So a good thing to know for these types of questions are the oxidation number rules, which tell you the oxidation number or state of elements in a compound or by themselves in a reaction. And you might also want to recall the charge of an electron and how the oxidation state will change when something loses or gains electrons. Alright, so let's start our first question. Which species was oxidized? So this means which one lost electrons. Okay, so we're looking for something that lost electrons. So a good thing to do at this point is to see our oxidation numbers. So for this iron, we have a 0 oxidation number. For this vanadium, we have a +2 oxidation number, and for this iron, we have a +2 oxidation number, and for this vanadium, we have 0. So you can tell by the charges, right? And when an element is standing alone, you know that its oxidation number is going to be 0. And so which species was oxidized? Which one lost electrons? So remember, if you lose electrons, okay, you're losing negative charge, so you're going to become more positive. So we will say that iron here has been oxidized, okay, because it did lose electrons. And we know that from the oxidation number because it became more positive. As it lost 2 negative electrons, it became more positive. Now our next question, which one was reduced? So for this one is going to be vanadium 2+, because as we see, vanadium 2+ became vanadium with a neutral charge. And so here we see that it went right on a number line. So if we call it 0, it went this way. So it's getting more negative. Okay, its oxidation number decreased. So this one was reduced. Okay, and then which one lost electrons? Well, we know this one was the one that was oxidized, okay? And I'll just put E- here for electrons. And specifically, iron here lost 2 electrons. And then which one gained electrons? Right, well we know that has to be the other one. So this one gained electrons. Alright, and then which species was the oxidizing agent? Well, that's like asking which one caused the oxidation of the other one. The one that was reduced, vanadium 2+, must have been the one that caused the oxidation of the other species in the reaction. Okay, so we'll call this vanadium 2+ the oxidizing agent. And that means that iron here must have been the reducing agent. It was the one that caused the reduction of the other species in the reaction. Alright, and so that answers all of our questions. Notice that when something is oxidized, it lost electrons, and it is called the reducing agent. And notice that when something is reduced, it has gained electrons, and is called the oxidizing agent. Alright, and so remember that redox reactions involve reduction and oxidation at the same time. So if you have something that's reduced, you must have something else that was oxidized, and vice versa. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time.